Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky header in Velo by Wix. A sticky header is a navigation element that remains visible at the top of your screen as users scroll down your page, making it easier for visitors to access your menu and key information at any time. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see several options for managing your account. Click on Site and Mobile App and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to the next stage. Now you'll be able to see all the websites you have on your Wix account. Take a moment to look through your list and locate the specific website where you want to create the sticky header. Once you've found it, click on it to open the website overview page. From the website overview page, you'll need to access the design editor. Locate the Edit Design button on the top right part of your screen and click on it. This will open up the Wix editor where you can make changes to your site's layout and design elements. Once you're in the editor, click on the header element that you wish to change into a sticky type of header. This is typically the top section of your website that contains your logo, navigation menu, and other important links. Selecting it will bring up various customization options. After the header is selected, look for the Change Behavior option in the top customization menu. This is where you can control how your header responds to visitor interactions. Click on it to reveal the behavior settings. A right side panel will appear showing you different options for how this header works. From these options, choose Stay Fixed. This setting ensures that your header will remain at the top of the screen even when visitors scroll down through your content, creating that sticky effect you're looking for. And that's exactly how you set up a sticky header in Velo by Wix. This simple adjustment can significantly improve your site's navigation and user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.